This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Town Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Fisherman's Dream. Waterfront, custom 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, open floor plan ranch west/expansive water views. Located on Elizabeth River west/deep water access, dock/pier. Bay and ocean less than 30-minute boat ride away. Incredible water views from family room/dining room/PBR. Kitchen open to dining room/family room west/new stainless steel oven/microwave unit, and Corian counters. Utility room off of kitchen/garage and has the entry to the big room over garage. Vaulted ceilings west/exposed beams in the big family room and stone face gas insert fireplace. Wood floors in main spaces, textured carpet elsewhere. Anderson windows with cellular blinds in family room and plantation shutters in PBR and kitchen. Spacious primary bedroom west/ensuite west/water views, other BRs with crown molding and spacious closets, large brooked, Trex deck and custom driveway. Community boasts plenty of streets with mature trees in this established neighborhood. Just minutes from Portsmouth Naval Hospital, all bases, interstates, shopping.